How to open AliExpress dispute. Now, if you want to open a dispute about your orders in AliExpress, just simply open either your AliExpress app or the website of aliexpress.com, and then you are going to see this homepage. Once you log into your account, then you need to go to your account section from the bottom right corner. And after you go to the account section, you are going to see the option of my orders, and below that you are going to see the option of in dispute. If you already have some dispute with the orders, just simply tap into in dispute, and in there you are going to see every single disputed orders. Or if you don't have any dispute, you are going to see the orders that you have. And if you want to open a dispute about any orders, if there's any problem to the orders, you just simply need to select the order from this page, and after that you need to select the option to open dispute, which will be just there with your product order. And after that your dispute will be opened in AliExpress, and it will be in effect very quickly. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.